Hi, I'm Stephanie Lester and I'm here to introduce to you Jeremy Fisher, the very latest needle felting kit in the Beatrix Potter range from the Crafty Kit Company. Now I have a particular soft spot for Mr. Fisher, so it's been my great pleasure to design him for you to recreate. And as well as coming on and introducing him to you, I just wanted to give you a couple of tips maybe. And the very first one is make sure you join the Facebook group, Craft Your Way to Happiness, which is the Facebook group run by the Crafty Kit Company. And we're all in there, all of the creators, all of the needle felters, and whether you want to show off your creation or whether you want to actually ask a question about the instructions, or there's a particular bit where you're just feeling a little bit not so confident and you want to come on and ask something, it's a perfect place to be. So that's my very first tip. The second tip I will give you is that when you're doing little things like perhaps the little buttons on the waistcoat or the little fingers where you need to roll them in your hands, put some moisturiser. Find your favourite moisturiser, because obviously you're going to smell him on your Jeremy afterwards, so that you can roll the piece and it just controls the fibre a little bit, which helps you, hopefully. And another, on this particular piece, this particular model, he's got lovely clothes, hasn't he, with his jacket and his waistcoat and his little trousers. Now, his trousers or leggings and waistcoat are very much felted onto him, but the jacket you make first and then felt onto him, and you create this rather lovely shape flat on your mat. Now, it might be that you'd rather not needle felt that flat piece onto your mat, and you can actually just that shape, cut it out in a piece of felt, hopefully red or something which is quite similar, and then just take the fibres which are included in the pack and felt that on over the top just to give it that colour, so that it all blends in when you actually do the colour on the arms. Oops, he's falling over. There we go. Sit up. Well, he is falling over anyway, isn't he? So it's kind of appropriate. And then just to show you how on the little egg shape, which is the shape which forms the body, once we wrap our little jacket round and we put his little tails out the back and roll the collar down, it's amazing how quickly it turns into a jacket once we've put the sleeves on the arms. So there he is. Ooh, our little treasure, Jeremy Fisher. I hope you love him as much as I do.